inside Death Valley, right?
I think so.
It's really pretty, huh? It's kind of cloudy.
Yeah,
So it's driving.
It was driving down the canyon.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Should I shift to gear 2?
Alright, we're 190 feet, 58 meters below sea level. Here's the Furnace Creek Visitor Center. And to this year's 25th anniversary of Death Valley National Park. The International Dark Sky Park is super dark here, so we're gonna see some really good stars tonight. Maybe see some Milky Way or something. Alright, let's go in. Here's the exhibit museum. Hottest and driest and lowest place. Alright, we're at Wrench at Death Valley. The little lodge here. It's really pretty. You can walk down the pine tree. There's like some restaurant here and a Borax Museum. So you can check it out. There's a golf course here as well. Super fancy. There's a check-in, hotel check-in. So this is the largest, largest national park in the 48th state, United States. Driest place in North America, lowest place in North America, hottest place in the world. 134 degrees. Look at Stina's hat. 130 degrees. Really cool place. 世界之最. There's a fountain here as well.
But then it's like...
You have horse riding as well. So the Borax Museum is closed for some reason. Last time I was here, it's open, but it's closed until further notice. But the back where the instrument is, the tool is still open to public. Oh, inside they have a manual, like label numbers, like number 6. This is what as a guide to all the stuff. And there's a big train. Yeah, Harrier. Thank you for watching our video. JS Adventure is a snippet of our daily lives and travel.
谢谢收看我们的频道 ，JS Adventure 记录了我们的日常生活跟旅游记事。
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. See you guys next time.
下集见，
拜拜。